Hey, I wanted to show you a quick little hack in Google Slides that you might not know about. So this is a digital math center, and you can see on the first direction slide, it says choose a number card, determine if the number is odd or even, place it in the correct column, and then this number 4, explain why the number is odd or even. So something that is really helpful with math is for students to explain their thinking and to have math discourse. And those kinds of things are really hard to do with a distance learning setting. It's really hard as a teacher to know what is the student thinking while they're doing this task, if they don't have anybody to talk to when they're doing it, etc. So I'm going to show you this little hack. So let's say I'm going to choose this number card. I'm going to slide it over to even, and then I need to explain why that one's even. Okay, so I'm going to go right here to tools, and then you're going to go right here to voice type speaker notes. So you're going to click on that, and you can teach your students how to do this really easily. They catch on really quick. So they click on this, and then they're going to click on this little microphone, and it's going to capture their speech as long as they have a microphone on their computer or their iPad or whatever, and it's going to take what they say and transcribe it into text right down here at the bottom of the slide, in the slide notes section. Okay, so I'll just explain my thinking. 94 is even because the 4 in the ones place is an even digit, so 94 is even. Then I click to stop, and then you can see down here it's pretty good at capturing the speech. They can say period, they can say new line. If they want to go or click right here and push enter and go to the next number and write it out. It's just a really cool hack and really easy to use, and then students don't have to grab other devices or programs to do their audio recording. It's captured right there. And then students who have a hard time typing their thinking, they can just use that to capture what they're saying. So I hope that helps.